Hello, grade 3. Welcome back to uh, grade 3 English. Today, we are going to learn about picture describing or picture descripting. So, today we are going to learn picture describing. This is the picture we are going to describe today. So, how do we describe a picture? First, we have to look the picture very carefully. We will first look at the picture. Look at the picture now, and then we will say what's in there. Now we have take a look at the picture. We look the picture very well, and now we can say what is the picture is about. What is the picture about? So, what is this picture? It's the picture is about two girls playing. Two girls playing. The picture is about two girls playing. Then we will say what is in the picture. Then we will say what is in the picture. So what can we see? We can see there are two girls. There are two girls. And there is a water stream. There is a water stream. There is a water stream. What else we can see in the picture? There are two buildings. There are two buildings. There are two buildings. You can see one in here. Next, we can see two water pipes. We can see two water pipes. See, this is the first building and this one is the second building. And now you can say, we will say what is happening now in the picture. What is going on now? What is the action in the picture now? So I gave you many words. I hope you will understand. In the picture, girls are playing with the water stream. This picture is about these two girls are playing in the water. So, in the picture, Girls are playing with the water stream. Then we can say more details about the things in the picture. We can say the details about the things in the picture. So here, things or people. So here about the two girls. What can we see about these two girls? Are they crying? No, they seems to be happy. The girls seems to be happy. They looks like happy. See, these girls are laughing and playing in the water. So now I have given you I have given you this picture from your book. It is in page number 6 and you can find this picture. But the picture I I want you to describe is with colors. It has these colors but the same picture. If you are not saying about the colors, then you can use the picture from the book. So now first, when we are describing the picture, we have to say what is the picture about. What is the picture is about? It is about a man is falling down and four children looking at him. First thing is man is falling down and four children are looking at him. Okay, and then what are the things and people in the picture? How many people are in the picture? There are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 people in the picture. And what other things you can see? You can see two cars and a big house or big building and another big house. And what is this? This is a mountain. There is a mountain. And what else? There are some trees. In the mountain, there are many trees. You can see many trees here also. And what can you see more? You can see the laptop here. And uh, there is a rod and a uh, wall. A wall and a fence. The words you don't know, find it in Google. Okay, this is not only writing, you have to find and learn the words from Google or from the uh, dictionary. Okay, so what else you can see in the picture? There are how many boys? 1 and 2. How many girls in the picture? 1 and 2 also. And how many men? 1. This is a big man. You have one big man. And what? Okay, we said about the cars. Then we can say, are they happy, sad, or excited? Like those things. About the things you have. So, are these children happy? Yes, they seems like they are happy. How about the man? How about the man? Man looks very painful. Painful. The man looks very painful. Okay. So what else? We can see one car is black and the other car is white. Okay. So what else? In the sky, what can you see? There are few clouds in the sky. Okay. So is there any flowers? Yes, there are some flowers here. So you can say we can see some yellow flowers. So like that, write only 5 sentences looking at the picture and write on your notebook. Okay, so now this is the picture for you, and you can look at the picture and you can write only 5 sentences. Only 5 sentences. You can say how many people are there, how many male, who chai taulai, who ying taulai, how many females, how many vehicles, how many houses, how many is there clouds in the sky, like that. So and is there any houses, roads, are they wearing shoes or they don't have shoes? You can say things like that and write it in your notebook. I hope this is slow enough for you, and send your homework in line.